Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince, your friend, and today I am coming out with a very important topic. In fact, I was explaining this to all of my students to whom I am doing mentorship today, and I felt the need to explain to you all, that is the best investment in your life. Now many would have told you to invest in mutual fund, many would have told you to invest in stock market or land, real estate, jewelry, what else, what not. Yeah, you have started even with systematic investment plan. You got my point. So according to you, what do you think is the most important investment in your life? Okay. So today I have taught this lesson to my mentors, my mentees whom I am teaching. I want to explain to you also, since we are all part of a team, a good family. And let me tell you, let me be very straightforward. The best investment in your life is investing in yourself. If you start investing in yourself, that is updating your knowledge, updating your discipline, which is very much required, especially in this world of trading. You can also call it as game of trading. The government will be against you, your family will be against you, your fellow beings, friends, whoever knows about this will be against you. But let me write it very clear to you, and let me tell it very clear to you. Investing in yourself is the most important investment. Now coming to today's topic, what is it I am going to tell you, which something which you have to learn today and you have to start implementing. Yes, keep a goal for every week, profit goal for every week. Now let me break it up. Say for example, I already told you that every day it is not possible to be profitable in trading. There will be losses, there will be profit. You agree with me? So now let us make it very clear that every week we have to be in profit. This is possible. Practically I have proved it also, and many of you are already doing it. You all know it very well. So let us keep a target every week. Okay, so that every week if you are in profit, then every month you are in profit. Okay, so if you want 10% in a month, let us break down each 4 weeks into 2.5% or 3% every week. So I agree, sometimes worst case every week you might not be in profit also. So let us keep as 4% or worst case 5%. We will close with this 5%. For example, you are targeting 10% in a month, then target for 5% in a week. Now coming to the main part, learning to not to trade is also part of trading. This I told to my students today, and most of them were asking me, sir, why are we not trading today? We are not in the end of a month, or we are not in the end of a contract. But I gave a very clear instruction that we are already in profit, we have already achieved 6% this week with our investment. We are not going to trade today, and most of them were surprised. They were asking me, sir, it is all going good, we are in continuous profits, then why do you want to stop trading? So I want to make this point very clear into you all. Learning to not to trade is also part of trading. Over trading ends you up in loss. This lesson I want to enter into all of your minds, that stop trading if you achieve your targets. Keep a mental target, or you can write a rigid targets also. 5% achieved in a week. If you achieved in 1 day itself, 2 days itself, please stop trading. So that is for today. So I am enjoying my day today. Hope it is same with you all. If you are working, yes, you have a time of you have a target of achieving profits for 6 months. So once you achieve profits for 6 months, then you can also resign and then enjoy your work, enjoy your life, start doing trading, and then make your regular income for day. And then whenever you are achieved with your targets, you can switch off your mobiles or laptops and come out of your trading rooms. Okay, so that's it from my side. So thank you and have a nice day.